Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and Merry Christmas to you all, and of course if you celebrate Christmas, if you don't, hope that you're just having a good time. And today I am so excited for this video because I'm going to be unboxing some of my presents for Christmas and as well some of the recent pickups. Actually, I've been trying recently while shopping, looking for some more interesting pants, trousers, whatever, just something that is not grey sweatpants that I wear like literally every single day, or blue jeans. And I think I really managed to find some really cool pieces, but to start with, I'm gonna unbox something that I've been so excited for, you cannot even imagine, and I bet you've seen it all over the internet. Everyone is talking about it, everyone loves it, and I'm a ship, okay? I just follow the crowd. I admit it. There is nothing wrong with that, by the way. But I was honestly going to bed like thinking about this top. And if you follow me on Instagram, probably you've already seen me wearing it for Christmas brunch. Alright, let's finally unbox the piece that I've been talking about for so long, and that's my Serre top with all over moon print, and I am just obsessed with it. Like, so it comes actually in a little bag. Can you imagine your top comes in a little bag which is actually made from the very same material as the top itself, and you just take it out of it and now you have a little cute bag that you can store your top in. So the top is folded, and I don't think that it actually gets creased much because anyways, whilst you wear it, it kind of straightens and there are no creases at all. But what is interesting about it, and something that I really did not expect, first of all, it's very stretchy, but you know, it is not like annoying stretchy like synthetic material. It is synthetic, of course, but it just feels so nice. I think it is called second skin, but let me tell you, there are seams only where it actually been sewn, but on the bottom, or like on the bottom of your sleeves, or at the neckline, you don't have any seams. So it is basically, when you feel it, it literally, you almost don't notice when the material goes into your skin. It's so smooth and seamless, and I don't know, it's literally something that you'll never need in your life, but it feels fantastic. If I could wear it every single day, I would probably do, and actually I'll probably do anyways. And you're probably all very intrigued, I hope I hope you are, about that. I have a Nico's box on the back, and let's open it right now. So that's another Christmas present of mine, and let me show you. Just let me show you this beauty. So it is Comme de Garçons little rat clutch. So that's how it looks on the front, that's how it looks on the back, and you're not gonna believe me, but it is a matching Comme des Garçons belt. To be honest, the belt looks very much like Supreme belt, but we do not complain. I do really love Comme des Garçons, and as you know, I am not the best person to style colors. Like, I have barely any colors in my wardrobe, and lately I've been really contemplating my fashion sense, mainly because without engaging with any colors in my wardrobe, it kind of feels flat to me, and I understand that there is a lot more to what I can do than just wear like black and white clothing. And don't get me wrong, when there is, for example, a styling job, like, I love colors. I love colors on other people, but I just cannot see myself wearing colors for some reason, and I just feel like I don't suit colors. You know what I mean? It's very, very strange feeling that I have, and especially I find red color a bit problematic for me. I have very, very basic white coat appearance. So one of the reasons why I'm afraid of wearing red, because I feel like it might distract from my already plain appearance even more. But we'll see. I'm really excited to try and style it, and if you want to see how I'm gonna style it, don't forget to subscribe to my Instagram. And let's finally move into bottom section of this video, because I've been shopping quite a lot of bottoms recently. When it comes to my personal style, I love cargo pants, I love taqwa, I love cargos. I love looking like a typical teenage kid from Reddit streetwear thread, and I don't feel guilty about it. I really don't. So I decided that it's finally time to embrace it, right? So there is this brand called Black Taylor that I just came across by chance on Instagram, and I absolutely loved it. They have such a crazy selection of cargos, whatever you want. You want fitted, you want loose, you want cropped, you want whatever you can imagine, lightweight, heavyweight, whatever. And of course I definitely got a couple of them. So first time when I ordered a pair, it was not successful, so I ordered a pair of these white cargos just to test out, you know, the quality, the sizes, and it didn't go well because I got the smallest size. I got 26, and it was absolutely not my size, whereas it was fine in like hip area. It was super short, like generally they were like short, they were like they would finish at the middle of my calf, so it was just not wearable. And as soon as I received it, I was really impressed by quality, because it is just so good. It's precisely what you order. And I ordered 2 more pairs. I reordered that white pair and ordered a pair of sweatpants, and ordered another pair of black cargos that I'm wearing right now. They look like that. And let me tell you, these white cargos is just like canvas that you can do anything with. You can style it how you want. You can style it with heels, you can style it with jackets, you can style it with hoodies, with sportswear, whatever. Just because it has such a futuristic vibe to it, like techno futuristic vibe, I am obsessed. Plus the color is perfect white, and luckily it matches perfectly with my Alix hoodie. It's like perfect white color. They have absolutely same color, and you know how difficult it is to find matching white pieces. It's just ridiculous. So I'm very happy with the purchase. And another pair of these cargos, they are very comfy. They are whereas white ones, they have more like denim material. They're denim. They're very heavyweight. The ones that I'm wearing at the moment, they're like more stretchy and very soft inside. They're more like tracksuit textile, tracksuit fabric, if you know what I mean. Like old Adidas tracksuits. That's precisely the fabric that they use here, and they got some cute details. For example, this gibberish writing on it, or a little tag on the side, and I am absolutely in love with that. So I am average height. I'm 1 meter 70 centimeters. So I needed to order size 28 for it to be long enough, and still I feel like I could have sized up in those black cargos, but they're not meant to be loose fitting. They're meant to be a bit of slim fitting, and I'm not too disappointed with it. I could have sized up, but I mean, it's still fine. Like, I'm not too disappointed. And the last piece that I wanted to share with you today is these beautiful pants. They're corduroy pants with Romeo and Juliet printed on it. So I got them from INTL Collective, and they're from a brand to reference. First of all, the quality is fantastic. The quality of print is great. You know, it is not kind of like cheap print, it is waxed print, so it's like ingrained into the fabric. And the way that they fit is just so good. They're just perfect straight pants. But I still had to take it to the tailor because the main problem for me when I order menswear, and it's from menswear section on their website, is that if it's gonna be good in hips, it will definitely be too much for me in the waist area, and I need to take a couple centimeters off the waist. But after I've done that, they just fit perfectly. And it is also not too thick of corduroy, which is great for me because, again, I keep repeating that in every single video, but I live in a desert. So guys, that was pretty much everything I wanted to show you today. I hope that you enjoyed this video, and if you're interested in me styling these pieces, go to my Instagram. And also guys, if you have any suggestions for styling that red Comme des Garçons set, also write them down in the comment section. I will be really interested to read because I have no idea how to do that not in a boring way. Alright guys, take care. Bye.